Before we end this, I would like to request Brother Victor, Brother Timothy, and Brother Mohan to present a small gift to the pastors. This is traditional Mysore shawl. Yeah, good morning all. Respected pastor sir, THANGAL respected all. Myself Rajesh AM. Rajesh Anasusalu Marigaud is my full name. A stands for my village. M stands for my father name Marigaud. In South we have a tradition of keeping village name and father name. I belong to Indian Forest Service 2013 batch. I'm born to Manipur Kada, and I belong to a district called Mandya. If you have been to Mysore, you must have been through my district. I started my journey from Senapati district. To be honest, this from Mao Gate to Senapati and Karung Bazaar, it's close to my heart, and I did have original charge of Kankopi for a few years. With respect to activities of MDB, much has been said by Brother Victor, who is the President of Manipur Diaspora Bengaluru. My request is the purpose of this outreach program that has been that's been taken on behalf of Government of Manipur and Manipur Diaspora Bengaluru is much of our people who are in the southern part of India are not aware of the presence of Government of Manipur and also presence of Manipur Diaspora Bengaluru. Yesterday, I live in Sakar Nagar, so it's a society, it's called RMZ latitude. So one girl, she's working there. So most of our people are from Northeast India, we have specific because we recognize who is who. So I used to look at that girl every day. She used to come for work, and she works in one particular flat. So yesterday I thought of asking about her, from where she belongs to. I made a wild guess. I asked whether you are from Tripura. Then I asked her in Hindi. So then she said, no, I don't know Hindi, sir. Okay, then I asked her, okay, where are you from? She said, I am from Manipur. And Manipur is close to my heart because I have more Manipur than Karnataka. So I asked her, okay, which district? I asked Imphal, Bishnupur, or Chandel, Faizal. I said, no, sir, I am from Kanpur. The issue is, I asked her whether you know anybody from your community here, or any government agencies present, or any organization like Manipur Diaspora Bengaluru. She said no. So this is the main issue. If something happens, suppose there is an accident, there is a robbery, there is a murder, there is a serious health issue, who are they going to? I feel it's the personal failure of our community leaders. To be honest, don't take it another way. Because we are not reaching out to our people who are coming back. After the crisis, most of our people are displaced. They have moved out. So many people have come and they don't know where to go. So my request is through our pastor sir, Alken Livingston sir, please do inform everybody. They must reach out. It must start from Manipur. The moment they leave a village, they must be in touch with the leaders who are stationed in either Bengaluru or Hyderabad or Chennai or Delhi. The moment they start their journey, they must start the first point of contact is their community leaders from the who are staying in their respective cities. Then if they are in touch with them, then they will reach out to us because it is through the leaders of Manipur Diaspora Bengaluru we have contact. I liaise with between Government of Manipur and Government of Karnataka, even Government of Tamil Nadu and Government of Manipur, then Government of Maharashtra and Government of Manipur. Same way government of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and government of Manipur. So any issue in southern part of India, please reach out to your leaders, reach out to the pastors. They will come to the leaders, then they will come to us. You may think it's a very long chain of command, but it's better than like not knowing about the community. So please, my sincere request, please reach out to your leaders. There are a lot of activities being taken, in collaboration, in collaboration between government of Manipur and Manipur diaspora Bengaluru. Maybe placing them, getting their jobs in skilled and unskilled. So we will. It just started, with the initiative from the president, vice president, general secretary, finance secretary, and cultural secretary. So thing is that there will be a lot of activities which are lined up. Okay, whether it's job, like regular advertisement will be done through the MDB. They will reach out to the respective community leaders in skilled and unskilled. So the best part is if we go through the MDB and government of Manipur, the chances of getting cheated, the chances of getting robbed, the chances of getting exploited will come down. So there is an agency which looks after. If somebody is not paying your salary, they will take care. If somebody is not registering your complaint in police station, they will take care. And we will take care. They means we will take care. We will work together. And much has been said by the president. I don't want to reiterate those things, especially with respect to the activities taken by both MDB and government of Manipur. Please do remember with respect to the treatment in Bangalore Baptist Hospital, civil services coaching, then job placement in skilled and unskilled category. So then recently there is an agreement signed with GPR Associates with respect to assistance in law and order issues in courts. So minimum fees they will charge. They will not charge exorbitant. Many of our people have got cheated. To be honest, if something happens, suppose there is an accident, most of our people will are not willing to go to the station and register a case. There are so many benefits in terms of insurance. If I die, okay, it doesn't matter. At least what about our family? At least family will get some compensation. That awareness is not there among our people. So for that, MDB and government of Manipur in the time to come, will take up legal awareness activities also, so that our people will know, what is the course of action in case something happens. So with these, my sincere request is please join hands with MDB and government of Manipur, and let's work to create a safer and better environment in southern part of India. Before I end my speech, I have a lot of memories in Senapati. Once what happened in Makulongdi, the elephants were, usually elephants, they used to carry the timber, some elephants. So once one wild elephant, it gone wild. So the issue was whether to see our people, like the moment we see something wild, we are ready with the guns, we'll shoot it. But if it is shot, the consequences will be legal. The government of India and government of Manipur will say, why are you shooting that animal? But we sitting in Imphal or Delhi, we don't understand the immediate threat posed by the elephant. So then the community from Makulongdi village and MARAM, they were ready to shoot it. Then we had to run. Personally request them, sir, please don't shoot, let's wait. But we got the permission because the elephant was really wild. So the community leaders from MARAM and Motivational, they came and they said okay. They responded well and they said okay sir, we'll wait. They waited till we reached there, and after we assessed the situation, they said sir, we'll shoot it. Okay, they shot it. It was really wild. So I've traveled like nook and corners of Senapati district, to be honest. I was discussing with pastors. I went to Tampung. When I reached Tampung, after crossing that Barak river, there is one Baili bridge. It's broken. Actually, it was completely a monsoon season. We had to cross that using that truck. What is that we call? That truck we have now. You check. It means Shaktiman truck. No? Yeah. So we had to cross that river because the river was it's full flow. Then when we reached, to our surprise, the chairman of the Tampung village, he said, sir, we are the first officer we are seeing in almost last 45 to 50 years. So you know the journey from Senapati headquarters to travel to Tampong, it takes at least close to 10-11 hours, because that the road was not good back then. So this side so far, like I've been to Liya village, I've been to Tinkulan. So I've traveled almost all areas in Senapati district. That's the Senapati, Kangpokpi and Imphal. There's the three districts I could be able to work. Not done only in other districts of Manipur. So I really thank brother Timothy and Pastor Seth for inviting the representatives of Government of Manipur and MDB to this very precious occasion. So thank you so much, and please help us to help ourselves. Thank you. Have a good day. Namaste.